Welcome back to another lecture, and today I will show you how you can block social media on Fortinet. So first we log into our Fortinet. You to go your security profiles, web filtering. Okay, we will create one new policy. We will create social media block. Okay, social media block. Okay, here is all categories available. You can also see here other websites, terrorism, sex abuse, like gaming website you can block. So we will go to social media. Here is a social networking, so we will block this. Okay, and now we can also create a specific URL here. You just need to put the URL and block it. So in social media, all social media like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all social media website blocking your company. Okay, we will select here. Now we will create one policy. Okay, we will create one policy. Here is social media block policy. Okay, incoming interface your LAN, outgoing interface your WAN. Source we will select any. Destination services any. Now security profile, web filter. Okay, here you need to select your policy, social media blockage policy. Now this policy enable, so I will move this policy the top of one. Okay, now we will test our social media blockage. So I will log into Facebook. Log into Facebook. We will try to log into Facebook. See here, application, and this is blocked by Fortinet. Okay, so if I enable this policy, where is my policy? As well, we will check Instagram. See here. Now I enable this, disable this policy. Okay, now we will check it's working or not. See, now it start working. Simple policy, you can block your social media on Fortinet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for another video. Thank you.